बेपनाह। अपनी बिखरी जिंदगियों को फिर से संभाल पाएंगे। आइए देखते हैं बेपनाह। मिस्टर आदित्य हुडा, आपकी पत्नी पूजा एंड मिसेस जोया अरोरा, आपके पति यश की एक एक्सीडेंट में मौत हो गई।
गम तो इस बात का है कि मेरी बीवी ने बेवफाई भी पूरी वफा से की। उसकी बेवफाई से ज्यादा मुझे अपनी वफा से नफरत है।
मोहब्बत का दूसरा नाम वफा है। हम जानते हैं कि हमारे शौहर ने हमसे बेवफाई नहीं की। हम खुद पर शक कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यश पर नहीं।
Thank you so much, everyone. We can now remove the headsets. I would now like to invite the producer of this show, Mr. Sunil Mehta from Cinevistas Limited. Sir.
Respected journalists, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Bepanah, truly a show that stands apart from the milieu for several reasons. One, it's a path breaker that will hopefully set trends. Two, it comes across as a breath of fresh air that differentiates it from the common denominator of storytelling that the audience has been catered and made used to on prime time. Three, it has probably one of the best coordinated star cast to be assembled for a television soap in recent times. Jennifer Winget as Zoya, a Muslim girl, not only looks stunningly beautiful, but has put in an exemplary performance. She mesmerizes you with the sheer innocence and stature she lends to the character. Harsha Chopra, coming to television after a long gap as Aditya Huda, is equally brilliant. Portraying a difficult characterization with many layers, he has enacted his role hand in glove. Sehban Azam, Namita Dubey, Rajesh Khattar, Parinita, and Malika Nayak, to name a few of the other stellar cast, have carried out their roles with equal dignity and class. The concept and the creation stand miles apart from the clutter dished out on television day after day. View it and experience the change. Compliments to Aniruddha, the man behind, for an absolute brilliant job done. And to Amita Devadiga, the creative director and the project head, whose exemplary devotion, dedication, and sincerity sparkle through the show. The production values, the setting, the sets, the costumes, the look, the outdoors, the feel is different and pulsating. It sets Bepana as a class apart. Definitely one amongst the finest shows to be aired on television in recent times. 6. The story, screenplay, and dialogue, the fulcrum of the show, are awesome and awe inspiring. A Tryst with Destiny brings Aditya and Zoya face to face to discover that their respective partners were involved in an extramarital affair. A relationship that begins bordering on hate goes through varied stages, brilliantly etched and skillfully penned by a highly esteemed team of writers. Many kudos to them. The unfolding of the show is truly the icing on the cake. And finally, the show promises to live up to the expectations it has garnered over the past couple of weeks. It's been trying times, but all in all, Bepana, we hope, is all set to hit the bullseye. Many, many thanks to the team of Colors, Mr. Raj Naik, Manisha, Sonal, Shipra, Krishna, Reema, Sonia, Mansi for seeing merit in Bepana and trusting and believing in us as a unit capable of delivering a product of class and eminence. Thank you so much for all the cooperation, help, and warmth extended. May I request for the AV to be played? Oh, oh.
Hi guys. Uh, Let me start with saying something that will probably be a little different from what you guys were wanting to hear. Bepana is not a love story. Bepana is a story about love. Okay, it's about finding love, uh, losing the love of your life, the ones you love, and actually understanding what love really means. So these are the stages of love, right? It's a show about second chances. You know, it happens in real life that life throws something at you, and it ends everything that you know of. That is nice, beautiful, perfect for you all, and then suddenly you feel that that's the end of the world. Then you cannot live from here onwards. That everything that you knew to be good and nice has suddenly gone kaput. But unknown to us, life has different plans. Obviously, the universe will conspire to give you something that you're bound to get,
Yes.
and that happens to us every day. I mean, most of us sitting in this room and everybody who's going to be watching this somewhere will relate to the fact that life as we see it is not going to be the way we want it. Probably it's the best that will happen for us, and the universe is doing that for us. Um, also that makes us lose a little hope in love and in life altogether. So, it's the story of these four people who have been bound together by fate, while two of them find true love in spite of being in what seems to be a perfect marriage. The remaining two will have to go through a hell lot to be together to find love ultimately. Also, what we intend to do is, it's very easy for us to label the people who walked out of a marriage. It's very easy for us to label them as cheats, and call them names without realizing that there has to be some kind of emotional problem that these two people might have gone through to take a step. Not everybody is, we're not born bad people. There's circumstances which try and make us little weird, sometimes ends up being bad for other people. So the idea is not to make them cheats, not to call them names, and just to humanize them somewhere, and we can go back and say कि अच्छा यार किसी की कोई मजबूरी रही होगी तभी तो उसने ऐसा कुछ किया है, तुम्हारी मजबूरी है. And that's the idea. I mean, you want to humanize the people. Not everybody is bad, not everybody is good. There's the circumstances that at that point of time will make them good or bad. And finally, it's the story of two people who have been dealt a rough hand by fate. I mean, it's the story of their resurrection, practically. It's their journey of self realization and realization that they too were at fault for their spouses for having gone out. So that is a realization that comes to Aditya and Zoya when they realize that they were probably not the best of people. So nobody is perfect. Let's change the idea of good people and bad people. Who are good people? Just because you call them, there are no protagonists and antagonists in this world, right? We all are our own protagonist and antagonist. हमारे अंदर जो है अच्छा बुरा सब है. So that is the idea. So it's basically, the journey of Zoya and Aditya to find love again, and how, in spite of the world, society, and even their families being against such an alliance, they fight it out, and what emerges is a bond so strong that nothing can shake it. I mean, that's their journey of finding the truest and the most purest of love. After going through so much, after fighting with the whole world, family, and everybody, I think what will emerge if these two people decide to be together, or the fate makes them, get together, I think that will be the strongest bond that any human being can ever experience. So, in a nutshell, that is what Bepana is. Is Bepana nafrat, Bepana mohabbat. So hashtag Bepana love. Thanks. Aren't we lucky? Aren't we lucky? He's our director also, by the way.
आदित्य और पूजा?
हाँ, तो इनका नाम है आदित्य शो में, मेरा नाम है पूजा और हम लोग हस्बैंड और वाइफ है। और हम लोग की बहुत ही अच्छी इक्वेशन है जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा दोस्ती है। हम लोग बचपन से साथ में रहे हैं, वी ग्रोन अप टुगेदर, स्टडीड टुगेदर, डन कॉलेज टुगेदर, डन
बट आवर लड़कीज टुगेदर,
मस्ती करी है साथ में। दैट काइंड ऑफ इक्वेशन जो है वो हमारा है, एंड दैट देन ऑब्वियसली वी गेट मैरिड टू ईच
हम
अदर,
बड़े हो जाते हैं, फिर शादी हो जाती है
शादी हो
हमारी।
जाती है। सो वी ओनली नोन, the only boy I know this close so well is him, and the only girl he knows this well is me.
Yeah. And plus he's someone he needs her. मतलब इसके बिना ये बिखर जाएगा क्योंकि एक बैकलॉग है इसका, डैड ने कुछ किया हुआ है जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा नाराज रहता है लोगों से, ये संभाल के समेट के रखती है इसे। ये हैं हम दोनों।
हाँ, ये हमारी इक्वेशन।
You saw the promos, you can't ask me this question. मतलब you think कि any actor who had a choice of doing this show would have not done it? I don't think. आदित्य
आदित्य जो है ना वो एक बच्चा है वैसे तो, उसको
Emotional
हैंडल
बच्चा है।
करना इमोशनली बहुत बच्चा सा है, उसको बहुत समझाना पड़ता है। अगर वो कुछ गुस्सा हो जाए तो मनाना पड़ता है।
नहीं, एक्चुअली उसके ना पॉइंट्स बड़े क्लियर होते हैं। ही इज अ वेरी मैथमेटिकल थिंकर, ही इज नॉट अ लॉजिकल थिंकर। ही थिंक्स कि वाइट समझ में आता है उसको, ब्लैक समझ में आता है उसको, ग्रे नहीं समझ में आता उसको।
हाँ।
जो गलत है वो गलत है। ही कॉल्स अ स्पेड। वो बोलता है कि अगर गलती की है तो मानो कि हाँ गलती की है, जस्टिफाई मत करो। दैट इज आदित्य। वो
सिमिलैरिटी
बोल देता है, मैं नहीं बोलता। वो बोलता बहुत है, मैं नहीं बोलता। आई थिंक अ लिटिल सिमिलर।
वाओ,
He's a very expressive guy. I'm not that.
he is not at all expressive. I think he's very reserved.
किसी को लगा ऐसा?
No, like actually you're
हाँ.
very reserved. He doesn't go out much.
Because I don't
ये
have the
अंधेरी-
time.
हाँ, आते ही नहीं है कभी हमसे मिलने अलग से।
I like the child in him. I like the way he was so complete. And the moment this happened and the way this happened, he's so incomplete. All of a sudden, he doesn't know what to do. He's just coming from a place called hurt because he doesn't want to feel like this. He's making everybody else feel the same way. That's it. कहाँ है? देखो इतनी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग है हमारी, वो साथ में इंटरव्यू नहीं देती।
केमिस्ट्री के लिए किस तरह के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं स्पेशली?
यार आप लोग
They look
बताओगे
very
तो पता
nice
चलेगा
together.
ना। ये देखो दे
मुझे
लुक वेरी
दोनों
नाइस
दोनों अलग से भी पसंद है और दोनों साथ में भी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। Such a good looking couple, no? And plus very good actors. So if you are a good looking actor, then that means you are killing it.
So you're giving me response as an audience or you're
Yeah,
just telling
as
me?
an audience, I'm
As an
telling
audience.
you.
Okay. I got a response. अच्छा था।
Very very nice.
अरे आदित्य जिंदा है ना, उसका दिल है, उसका दिमाग है, कैसे चली जाएगी?
I don't know what the track in the future would be, but as of now I know that I have some important integral part to play.
They're very important because अगर पूजा नहीं होगी ना तो आदित्य नहीं समझ में आएगा। समझ में कैसे आएगा कि why is feeling what and grow कैसे करेगा जब तक realize नहीं करेगा कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। So I think they are very very important.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I hope you guys bless us.
Yeah, we would. तो आसमान से हम मिलेंगे।
लास्टली ऑडियंस से क्या कहना चाहेंगे शो के बारे में? जल्दी शो टेलीविजन पर
यार बहुत एक तो इतने महीनों से बज हुआ है बेपना इवन आई वाज लाइक बिफोर आई थिंक आई न्यू दैट आई वाज डूइंग इट आई न्यू दैट बेपना इज हैपनिंग
Oh my God.
जस्ट इमेजिन दैट्स हाउ लॉन्ग इट्स बीन
Wow.
यू नो इन द
And finally
मेकिंग
on 19th
ऑफ
of
मार्च
March, 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, only on Colors.
कलर्स
एंड इट्स अ गुड शो, अच्छा शो है। आपको प्रोमोज में देख के लगा होगा कि एक तरीके की ईमानदारी से बनाया है और सब कुछ है, ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ अटपटा बनाने की कोशिश की है। इमोशंस बहुत अच्छे से फ्लो कर रहे हैं। आई एम श्योर हर इंसान एसोसिएट कर पाएगा, कुछ सीख पाएगा। सो देखिए। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू
एंड वी आर डन विद हाफ।
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, it's a good evening. हाँ जी, ऑलराइट।
And first of all, congratulations to both of you. The
Thank
promo
you.
is getting a huge response from the audience. So, what kind of comment you're getting from your fans, your family friends?
Firstly, thank you for your comment. You are so excited about it. I love it.
It makes us also excited. Yay! Say what?
I don't know. Okay, so getting back to Bepana, जो response अभी हमें मिला है promo से, it's been excellent and we really hope that this excitement and
Stays.
it stays
Forever.
because we are as excited as you are. बेपना की बात करते हैं. बेपना एक बहुत ही intense love story है, which is really high on emotions, which is really high. It has everything. It has romance, it has drama, it has a bit of mystery and thriller here and there.
आई थिंक जितनी भी स्टोरीज होती हैं वो यहाँ तक होती हैं कि दे लिव्ड हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर. हमारी जो स्टोरी है आई थिंक वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है. आई थिंक नोबडी हैज़ डन दैट बिफोर कि शादी के 5 साल बाद क्या हुआ. यू नो नोबडी हैज़ डन दैट बिफोर. और कुछ नया है इसमें. नया ये है कि आपको रिलेशनशिप बारीकी से देखने को मिलेगी. उसकी तह तक जाएंगे आप और सिर्फ ऊपरी प्यार नहीं है या ऊपरी नफरत नहीं है और तह में है, डेप्थ में है. राइट.
Correct, absolutely.
Okay, तो आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे दर्शकों को, अगर थोड़ा बता पाए.
यश एक बहुत ही शरीफ इंसान है जो अपनी बीवी से प्यार करता है और जो अपनी माँ से प्यार करता है, बहन से प्यार करता है, उनको खुश रखना चाहता है. मेहनती इंसान है, खुद मेहनत करके आगे बढ़ा है, उसका बिजनेस है एक. और इतना ज़्यादा केयरिंग है अपनी फैमिली के लिए कि वो उनको कुछ बताता नहीं है और सारी परेशानियाँ खुद लेता है और उनको खुश रखता है. That's all about it, right? जोया के बारे में. जोया तो एक प्रिंसेस है.
मैं जोया का किरदार निभा रही हूँ जो एक मुस्लिम लड़की है. शी हेल्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्यूटीफुल टाउन ऑफ मसूरी. उसकी लाइफ बहुत ही परफेक्ट रही है हमेशा. शी इज़ मैरिड द लव ऑफ हर लाइफ. शी इज़ हैड अ वेरी वेरी शेल्टर्ड एंड प्रोटेक्टेड चाइल्डहुड. और कैसे एक हादसा होता है उसके साथ और कैसे उसकी जो ज़िंदगी द परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड अराउंड हर completely breaks down and how she overcomes the tragedy with the help of Aditya, or how as the show progresses how they through each other go on a road of self-discovery.
Many serials until now. So, what was the one thing you liked the most about this role? Almost like
सीखने को मिलता है हमेशा जेनी के साथ काम करने में.
For me, I'm working with amazing friends. With Cinevista, this is my third show, and I know when they offer me something, it is well thought of, it is carefully curated, and they have that faith in me, and I have that faith in them that whenever they offer me something, it's going to be good. The icing on the cake is Colors के साथ ये मेरा पहला show है, so I'm really really looking forward to that association. And the best part about it is that the director is also a very close friend of mine. I know the story is very very close to his heart. I know how much love and effort has gone into just working on the story.
I think when they were weaving the whole story, we were all around and we were a part of it somewhere or the other. And we've seen him working on it so diligently and making something out of it. And it's gonna be a good experience. मेरा तीसरा शो है कलर्स के साथ and I'm loving it. कलर्स I think मैं जब से कलर्स के साथ शुरू किया मैं कहीं और नहीं जा पाया और मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे जाने देंगे वो कहीं. So it's gonna be a beautiful experience and excitement बरकरार रहनी चाहिए बस हमारी.
लोग आपके प्रोमो को तो बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, बट आपके बीच में जो केमिस्ट्री है वो भी बहुत पसंद किया जा रहा है. तो इन रियल लाइफ में पर्दे के पीछे कितना बॉन्ड आप शेयर करते हो?
बहुत मारती है मुझे चलते फिरते यार, कहीं भी धक्का देके गिरा देती है, कुछ भी करती है यार.
I am not violent at all.
नहीं, just kidding. We've been very good friends and it's been nice and I think बहुत सारे लोग हैं. हमारे कुछ लोग हैं, मैं हो गया, जेनी हो गई, करण वाही हो गया और हम कुछ लोग हैं जो एक फैमिली की तरह रहते हैं यहाँ पे और सब बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं और साथ रहते हैं, मज़ा आता है और एक दूसरे से एडवाइस लेते हैं, एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं. इट्स गोना बी लाइक दिस फॉरएवर आई गेस. ऑफ स्क्रीन एंड ऑन स्क्रीन तो केमिस्ट्री है.
I think we do our jobs well on screen. Yes. We did. So we did a couple of classes in Urdu to get the lehza right. I hope I've I've succeeded in that. I really hope and pray, because I am a little nervous about it. We also, before we went on floor, we also did a couple of with all the actors. We did a couple of workshops, so to get the rapport right. And I'm so glad that every actor in the show came prepared, came with the same energy, and I hope that it translates on screen as well.
आपने जो है इसके अंदर एक बहुत ही अलग किरदार प्ले किया और हर किरदार में आप कुछ अलग लेके आते हैं, बेहतर लेके मैंने देखा था। तो आप अपने रियल लाइफ किरदार से कितना कनेक्ट करती है इसको, और रियल लाइफ में कैसे, अगर आप अपने फैन को बता पाए?
मैंने जितने भी किरदार अभी तक निभाए हैं, I've learned something or the other from every character, and I truly believe that when Jennifer walks on set, the character takes over, and when Jennifer walks out of the set, I leave the character there. So, and because I've been working from a very long time, and as a child, it's easy for me to do that. It's easy for me to switch on and off. And every character that I've played, thankfully, has added to my success, has given me a lot of love and appreciation, and I really hope that I luck out every time. I can't. I'm sorry. This is a question that I will never be able to answer, because,
All the
like I
characters
said,
are
every
favorite.
character has given me so much love and appreciation from the fans, which I will be grateful forever.
You've done some kind of happy-go-lucky guy character. It's like a little serious one.
मैंने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया। मैं लाइफ में थोड़ा सीरियस हो गया हूँ, समझदार हो गया हूँ लाइफ में, थोड़ा कैरेक्टर के बारे में समझते कैरेक्टर में बहुत लेयर्स हैं, इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि साथ साथ मैं भी बदल रहा हूँ कैरेक्टर के साथ साथ। नहीं, एक्चुअली इट्स what I do, I usually take examples from real life, and then I put them in my life, and then I play the character. That's how I do it. In every character I do, I keep them with me. It stay with me forever. मतलब अगर मैंने जो दिल मिल गए में युवराज किया था, उसकी कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैंने रख ली हैं अपने पास, जो मुझे अच्छी लगती हैं और मैं हमेशा रखूँगा। आई थिंक यश की भी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं। आई थिंक समवेयर उसका एक थॉट है अनकंडीशनल लव का, वो मैं हमेशा बोलता भी हूँ और वो रखूँगा अपने साथ आके। आई टेक माई कैरेक्टर्स अलॉन्ग विद मी ऑल माई लाइफ। वन ऑफ द रीज़न आई एम एन एक्टर बिकॉज आई एम लिविंग लॉट ऑफ lives in one life. That's how I am.
जेनिफर में ये सीरियल बहुत पहले ही ऑनर होने वाली थी, बट सम टेक्निकल इशू और साइड पे कुछ आग लगने की वजह से ये डिले हो गई थी, उसके बारे में आपको बताना चाहिए।
It was a very unfortunate incident that happened, and it was beyond anyone's control. And our condolences are with the family. It was something that we couldn't get out for a very long time, but I'm very grateful to the firefighters that they saved numerous other lives. I'm very grateful to everybody who supported us in this. Also,
even
I
the production
think
house taken care of everything so nicely.
And we've all rebuilt ourselves.
Yeah.
We've recreated ourselves. We
Like a
are
revival
much
for
better
us.
and stronger, and we are on our way to do better things.
ओके, लास्टली आप दर्शकों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तो आ रही है
19th of March से देखिएगा बेपनाह
बेपनाह
कलर्स टीवी पर Monday to Friday 9 o'clock. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you. Ouch. आता काय?